It is Robin the Lady Biker. Welcome to day 2 of my run. Oh, we are entering the Valley of Fire, and day 1 was a good day. It was a hot day. Oh my gosh. Ran through the Mojave Desert, as you saw in some previous clips, and it was hot. Oh my gosh, but it was so stunningly beautiful. I enjoyed it. So even though yesterday was primarily a travel day, today I get to just enjoy this. So I'm hitting the Valley of Fire, and then I'm going to stop off at Hoover Dam. And while I was in Vegas, I had the best time with my friend. I would have loved to have done a Q&A with Lee, but some stuff just kind of, well, let's just face it. She and I hadn't seen each other in so long, and we ended up talking for hours. It was amazing. And then we jumped on the bikes whenever it cooled off and went up into, just did a night ride over by Red Rock. It was so amazing. I had the best time connecting with her. Valley of Fire State Park. Guys, this is one of the most beautiful things. If you've seen one of my previous videos of when I rode the Pacific Coast Highway in the Central Coast part of California, this is just as stunning, if just very different. It's beautiful. And I'm a bit speechless. Guys, if you can ever get out here, you have got to see this. Riding through today has been a little bit emotional. Leaving on this trip was kind of half mix of, this is amazing, and yeah, and oh my gosh, what have I got myself into? But doing this and missing my family, my husband, my kids, I wish they were here with me. This is a stunning experience. I'm out of the Valley of Fire, and I'm headed up towards Hoover Dam. The dam itself is closed, which means I know there's no touring, so I probably won't get to ride across it. We'll have to see. But, oh, I'm so excited! After an emotional morning going through the Valley of Fire. Okay, guys, this is my 3rd attempt to get to Hoover Dam. Every other time I've wanted to come, something has gotten in the way. Either the people I were with didn't want to go, or whatever. So I cannot wait to see this. I am a total and complete geek. When I was just out of college, I did some work with an engineering firm on a couple of dams. And so dams have always fascinated me. But this one especially, since it was built during the Great Depression it just still astounds me what the men and women who are part of that project were able to accomplish. So, anyway, guys, hang on for the ride. We're going to see how close we can get. If not, we'll go back to that overlook at least. Good morning. Okay, where is the closest place I can get where I can at least maybe see the dam? Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you for your help. Okay, guys, I don't know if y'all could hear what the security guard was telling me, but right now the only way to even remotely see the dam
on Nevada 172
is to do it from a boat. So I'm gonna come back over here to this overlook and at least get some water and see what I can find and figure it all out from there. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Oh, okay, guys. As I said, it's closed. They won't even let us go close to it. And, I kind of get it, but it's disappointing. Anyway, you know what this means? Just going to have to come back and try again. But the bonus is I get to bring people back with me next time. So, there's always a positive, and I am looking for the positive. Anyway, I am headed a little bit south and then east, going through Arizona, and if everything comes together, I'm supposed to connect with Greg, and everyone on here knows him but better as Easy Rider. So I am so looking forward to connecting with him, have a late lunch, catch a few miles, do a little just get to know each other Q&A. It's always fun to meet up with some of the other motovloggers.
Turn left.
Anyway, guys, so hang on to the ride. I'm sure there'll be some footage going through Flagstaff and all that beautiful area.
All right, hey guys, I've got a surprise for y'all. Hang on, you ready? Let's see if I can get this to flip around. Look who I found. Hey guys.
It's me, Easy Rider.
Hey, so whenever I was gonna be coming through, close, not too far from where he lives, and I reached out to him and said, dude, okay, can you catch up to me and we'll have lunch or do something and ride? And sure enough, it worked out, and we've been having a great time. You want to say hi to everyone? And
Hi, watch my channel. I need more subs.
don't worry, I'm going to put a link in the description down so that everyone can find it. But anyway, guys, he suggested that we stop at West Side Lilo in Seligman, thank you, Arizona. So cute little place. So if you're ever close by, you got to do it. So anyway, guys, I think we're about to go hit the road.
Yeah, we both got to get going. She's got a long way to go, and I can't ride very long anymore either, so I got to get going home.
Well, that's okay, because we're going to be coming not too far from you again, but next time I do, it'll be with my parents. So,
Very
all right,
good.
guys.
Forgot to unlock my ignition.
I do that all the time, too. Boy, that's a beautiful looking bike.
I was just thinking the same thing about yours.
Oh, yeah, I think mine's pretty, too.
All right, guys, we are getting started. Greg and I are going to ride Easy Rider. We're going to get some time in on the road. And we are off. The run of the kings, the road kings. Okay, that was a bit cheesy, but couldn't resist. Now, we had a great lunch. Just chatting, spending some time getting to know each other. It was a good time. So, guys, hang on for the ride. We're going to take you through parts of Old Route 66. where we are going to be partying. So Easy Rider, stay safe, and I'm going to catch you on the way back.